Hey guys, my name's Seth, and this is Clutter to Color. We're going to take this clutter and turn it into this powder coating shop. Come along for the adventure. We're bound to get into some crazy things.
Top of the morning, I'm feeling it. Keep it too real, gotta reel it in. Player the dealers, I'm really him. Favorite the deal, now it's dividends. Stable the horses, gone with the breeze. Speak from the heart, got her on her knees. I've been the hardest to make a green. Stayed in the darkness to some degree. I've been a winner since I'm a 10. I'm trying to kill it, I've never been. Greatest at being with only fans. Greatness in me come from money hands. Play it on being a funny man. Lay it down and do the runner man. I've been the greatest it's never been. Nowadays I'm giving only him.
Let's jump in and see where we get today.
All right, it's 5 a.m. Side by sides are rolling. 87 is flowing, and the trailer's hooked up.
Let's go buy another powder coating business. Let's get it.
Let's get some chocolate milk to kick things off.
By the way, the best chocolate milk on planet Earth, Gallagher's.
You guys don't know about this. Ooh. You're messing up. All right, let me give you a water, and let's get out of here. All right, first $100 of fuel in. Let's head to Maryland. All right, pit stop one. They're turning the pumps on for us, so they're getting on because we needed fuel. So we got the trailer. Stop here at this cute little oak barrel cafe, and we'll be back on the road shortly. I think it's like 6 o'clock now, 6:30. So we're making good time. All right, so Conowingo Dam. Look at all this trash conking up over here. This is a huge power plant beside us. And my trailer is across the yellow line with another trailer, and we're touching the white line over here. Here we go. Ah, I get skinny. Oh, check it out.
Oh, wow, the water level's so low down there.
Look at all these like arms that are moving, gate arms and stuff. They're all numbered 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow.
Here's RLNS.
Oh my goodness. What a beautiful bike.
Yeah, we had it. It was in the Harley dealership in Chesapeake, and me and James walked through there.
Sound cruising down the road in. Okay, these guys were awesome. They brought us out to their house. They let us buy this super cool equipment, and now let's take it home on our rust box. Drew, thanks for helping me, brother. Guys, thank you. Appreciate you, sir. We are really blessed with this. Thank you. All right, Drew, we made the Red Robin. We got the powder coating stuff loaded up. We made it a little ways down the road, at least an hour, but things are going good. And we got some stuff in the back of the truck. Few little things there, and then we've got a bunch of stuff in here. 2 big containers full of a ton of powder. I mean, what would you say, 100 pounds of powder probably between the two of those? They were pretty heavy.
Yeah, I mean, they're not big loads.
So got some stuff. All right, let's go eat. Drew burning laps.
Oh, I completely know.
Pull the camera out and you trash it. We don't even know what we're driving.
Yeah, I have no clue.
But he's sending it.
There's no keyboard, so I can't reset back the bits. But it's okay.
It's probably on the other side.
I did not cut that corner right, so it's full of shit. Those are nice.
And what were you driving?
It's an M4 GT3.
I mean, you handled that pretty well.
Yeah.
Dude, this is a sick setup. All right, we were only like a half a quart low, so we popped a quart in it. And then Drew's like, hey, there's a GTR. And there sure is. This thing is beautiful. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, what's behind it? The vet. Did you see the vet peeking out behind it?
That's the vet peeking out behind it. There is a vet. What was that, Grand Sport?
Yeah.
It was like Grand Sport. I'm not a Corvette expert, but it was like
I'm
Grand
not
Sport.
either. All right, man. Well, hey, Micro Center was fun. Thank you for letting us stop there, Drew. Ready to hit the road?
Yes.
Let's get it.
I'm ready to go home.
Oh, man. Way heavier than I expected. But I did get it out by myself and break an ankle. I tried to get the trailer as square as I can. I had to bring it up on some blocks to kind of level it, but the oven weighs 2 to 3 times what the thing does. So I'm gonna get it up on some dollies that I bought and get it to the back. And then I think the move is roll it, I think, or maybe some friends will show up, but got that off and I got the metal rack off. So let's get this out of here. And then we got quotes on our new storage unit that's close by. We'll empty out the shed and get this stuff in. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. I'll keep checking my email. We'll see what happens. So I'm gonna take a breather. Whew, shit, that is heavy, but powder coating coming, baby. Somebody help me come up with a name. I'm drawing blanks. So yeah, help me do that. Thanks. All right, it was a fight, but it is in its temporary holding cell. I get there's some more light here. So I made a little raised platform for it. Probably can't see it. There's a raised platform, so I can't get anything underneath of it. And the blaster and everything's set up. I'll run some power. I'll go run a ditch witch and cut my trench and get things ran over, but whew, off the trailer. So neighbor's trailer's returned. He was super chill to let me leave it on there for 2 days or 2 weeks as I was out of town. And yeah, so next thing is clear this whole big shed out that's behind me that you can't see and set up shop. So it's getting closer and closer. This is exciting. So super excited for this opportunity. Very fortunate opportunity. And as you can see, it's pretty rough in here. So we're gonna fix it up and make this nice. All right, till next time.
It is a mess, but give me a little bit of time. It's actually not that bad. I've just been throwing Mazda parts in here. So like 90% of this is nothing but Mazda parts, harnesses. Underneath there is multiple rear diffs, transfer cases, boxes of heads. I mean, it's nonstop. Plus a bunch of race gear and a few tools. So some of this stuff is leftover things from my like rentals cleaning up, paint and stuff. So that's all just going to disappear. And then yard tools, all the same. Every bit of this is going away to make room. So give you an idea. Oh, it looks like a hoarder's mess, but I swear to God it's not. All right, all of this gone. Oh, there's got to be a better way to do this. All right. Yeah. Yeah, I know it doesn't look like it, but this is the home stretch. All the crazy heavy stuff is gone. And this, after one more load, is going to be like almost empty. So we're almost there. All right, it's hard to tell, but so much just got done. All the big heavy stuff is gone. Most of this is trash. We'll head to the dumpster. One more load and we got this finished. Paint the walls white and whew, get this going. I mean, so much stuff. Just wow. All right. I'm tired. I'm gonna button this up, celebrate Easter tomorrow, and we'll pick this back up. I didn't video much, but air compressor is in. Guy hooked me up. Hopefully it works. Old 80-gallon, $100. Claims it does. And I got some free steel. So let's get out of here. All right, well, the adventure to get the air compressor home is getting intense. This lady's Subaru caught fire. And luckily, me and this other guy rolled up and we put it out and fire truck came up. So let's
Let's get home now. Have a good evening, guys. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Have a good evening. Sorry about the stressful night. Way to come in clutch with the fire extinguisher, brother.
I always carry one in my car, man,
That's
for this reason.
yeah. You were the man of the hour. We were just mitigating the problem.
Appreciate you stopping, brother.
Yeah, man. Have a good night. Hopefully it's better.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Nice guy. Nice guy, but wow. What a crazy adventure. This is getting wild. Beautiful. Power plants are crazy looking down there.
Thanks for watching. And if you're into this kind of thing, please follow along. There's plenty more to come. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.